are going to start with you today. And answer me.
그녀는 쥐를 본 적이 있어?
그녀는 쥐를 본 적이 있어? Okay, tell us your answer. What's your answer?
Has she seen a mouse?
Very good. All right. Put them back. All right. Now, Danny. 너는 말을 본 적이 있어. 너는 말을 본 적이 있어.
No.
응? Yeah, you hold. Yeah. Danny, once again, but pick up the picture. Pick up the picture. Horse. Where is horse? Where is horse? You can hold it up and yes, pick it up. Pick it up. Yes, hold it. Yeah, and what's your answer? 너는 말을 본 적이 있어. 너는 말을 본 적이 있어.
You have seen a horse.
Very good. Once again.
You have seen a horse.
Very good. Alright. Ezekiel. 데니랑 제임스는 거위를 본 적이 없어. 데니랑 제임스는 거위를 본 적이 없어. Alright, what's your answer?
Danny and James haven't seen a goose.
Very good. Alright. David. Okay, Ezekiel, you clean that up. David. 그녀는 염소를 본 적이 있어? 그녀는 염소를 본 적이 있어? Okay, Ezekiel, move away. 그녀는 염소를 본 적이 있어? 염소. 그녀는 염소를 본 적이 있어? 3. Where is 염소? Okay. What do you finish with? Alright, what's your answer?
Have you seen a goat?
Good job once again.
Has she
Has she?
seen a goat?
Very good. Alright, James. Okay, David, you can clean that up. Alright, James. 그는 오리를 본 적이 없어. 그는 오리를 본 적이 없어. Please don't touch.
No.
10, 9, 8. The question was 그는 what? What did I say? 그는 What did I say, guys?
No.
그는 오리를 본 적이 없어? What was the question? I kind of forgot. 그는 오리를 본 적이 없어. What's the question? 그는 오리를 본 적이 없어. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Alright, what's your answer, James? Okay, rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. Alright.
No.
No, Danny. Danny, I didn't know that you were a part of it. Paper.
Rock, scissors,
Paper. Rock, scissors, paper. Okay. 그는 오리를 본 적이 없어. Go. 5 seconds. Okay, what's your answer?
He hasn't seen a dog.
Once again.
He hasn't seen a dog.
Very good. Okay, next question. Let's play rock, scissors. Everybody for the next question. Guys, everyone. Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. Whoa. Okay, scissors. You
Rock, scissors,
paper. Okay, listen. Yeah, you never know. She might make a mistake. Okay,
This
Grace,
is it.
listen up. Grace, listen up. 그들은 수탉을 본 적이 있어? 그들은 수탉을 본 적이 있어? Where is 수탉? Where is 수탉? Well, don't do that. Don't confuse her. Where is 수탉? Where is 수탉? 3, 2, 1. Alright, what's your... Okay. Oh, you're confused. Oh yeah, there are 2 types of chicken. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go. Okay, what's your answer, Grace? What's your answer? That's perfect, but rock, scissors, paper. Rock. Okay, Danny and David. Rock, scissors, paper. Okay, David, go. 3 seconds. 3,
3, 2,
2. You just change what is wrong. 3.
2.
What's my question?
No.
그들은 수탉을 본 적이 있어? Is the question. 3, 2, 1. Go. What's your answer?
Have they seen a rooster?
Good job. Once again. Rooster. Once again.
Have they seen a rooster?
Rooster? You're asking. Rooster?
Rooster?
Have they seen a rooster?
Have they seen a rooster?
Good job. Alright, guys. You did a great job. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.